What's up, YouTube? It's Jay. We are back in the shop today. And really exciting news. We broke 1,000 subscribers. So thank you to everyone who's watching, everyone who took the time to subscribe. That's awesome. We really appreciate it. And today we're going to be finishing up the Toolbox. I don't want to really call it a restoration. It was a Toolbox cleanup, let's say. We had put it out for the vote for you guys, and not one person wanted it painted. So we are just going to leave it in sort of a aged patina state. I'm going to put a little bit of clear coat on it to try and protect it a little bit. And then we're going to pick a subscriber at random. So put a comment below if you guys would like to have the Craftsman Toolbox. If it'll be of use to you. It's a really cool piece. I don't really have a need for it, and small shop. So we're gonna pay it forward and let you guys, one of you guys, have it and let someone else enjoy it. I just like fixing them up. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, we're gonna just sort of lightly go over with acetone. I'm not trying to pull the paint off. I just want to take some of the residue from the evaporust and some of the old grease that inevitably this toolbox collected over the years, because I want to try and put a clear coat on it, so I'm going to hope that it sticks. I'm not going crazy. I'm just trying to clean up some of the grease. So I think we got most of the grease off, I'm hoping. And I think that she's probably just about ready for a clear coat. Man, I'm loving this patina. It's cool. It's got some age on her. It reminds me, obviously it is a toolbox. It has a section for sockets and all that, but it just reminds me of sort of that old picture with the iron workers sitting up on the I-beam, and they had this style lunchbox. That's what this reminds me of. In fact, one of you in the audience, whoever wins this, it'd be cool to make into a lunchbox, man. Bring that thing to work. People will be like really jealous. I know I would be. Fit a lot of lunch in there. right, guys, well, that about does it for today's video. We were able to clear coat the toolbox, and we're gonna let that gas out and cure for a few days. So in the meantime, like and subscribe and put your comments below. So what I want you to comment is Toolbox me if you're interested in getting the Craftsman Toolbox for your collection. It's a cool piece, man. It's so awesome looking. Love that we kept the patina and you guys voted on it, and I'm glad you helped us out with that, because I think if I had painted it, I just don't think it would have turned out the same. Anyway, guys, so like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. We have some cool stuff coming up. We're going to do a Q&A fairly soon. Me and Matt are just going to have a pizza and beer night. I'm going to show you guys the arcade machine. We're going to play some video games, have some pizza, have some beer, sit around, shoot the stuff. I'll probably show you my studio where I do some of my voiceovers. Just going to be a fun night. We're going to talk about bands we like. We're not going to be in the shop. We're just going to hang out, take your questions, and we'll be doing that live. That will be coming up in the near future. So stick around, guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you soon.